Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to download YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our YouTube account. Once done, all we need to do then is to click the shorts that we will be routed to the different shorts available at hand. So just like for example, if I wish to download these shorts, all I need to do then is to click the share button. And once done, I need to click copy link and we need to click home. Right after that, we need to paste the link on the search button. And we need to delete feature equals share until the question mark. Once done, we can hit OK. And basically, we are routed on this part, wherein all we need to do then is to click the three dots here. And now we have the option to download the video. And we do have the option here in terms of the quality of the video. So we'll just be using a medium, so we can hit that. And right after, we can click download. So basically, that's how we are going to download YouTube Shorts. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next one.